Alright guys, so this is how it's gonna look. I added my butter and everything, oil, and add a little bit of water, and then that's just pretty much it. I cover it up and let it steam. Have it on like I would say low medium kind of heat, and you just let this stay for roughly 30-40 minutes, or 45 minutes, and it's done. Steam fish. Enjoy. Look at 10 finger. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys, so I'm back, and if you could smell, oh my god, so good. And if you can see, it's looking really good. So I'm gonna give this like, I would say probably the next 7 minutes, 10 minutes on the fire on some low medium kind of heat, more on the lower side. As you can see, it's relatively low. Yeah, so we can focus. Okay, so it's on some low heat, and it smells so good, guys. Steamed fish. All right, and I have my food over here that's finished boiled. And that's what I'm gonna eat my fish with. So yeah, guys, steamed fish and food, Jamaican style. This is what I was brought up on. I usually catch my own fish, fun fact, and now I have to buy it. But yeah, I love seafood, especially fish. I wish I could eat it every day, but I can't afford it right now. When I was back home and I could catch my own fish, when you live close to the sea, it would be nice. But I don't live close to the sea, I live close to lakes, so you can catch rockfish and all that good bit. But this still works. And guys, back. So yeah, I have the steamed fish here going. I'm gonna keep it on for the next 7 minutes, 7-10 minutes, and that's about it. And I have my food that's finished boiled over here, my banana, my plantain, my sweet potato, Irish potato. Yeah, it's gonna be really, really nice. I can't wait for it to finish. So thanks for watching so far, guys. If you reached this far in the video, obviously you must like something that you see, so please like, subscribe, and share and comment, and let me know what you think, and if you tried this recipe at home and how it was for you. So yeah, thanks for watching. All right, guys, steamed fish, steamed fish, steamed fish with some food, with some food, with some food. I guess I'm in a cooking mood. Alright, guys, so yes, I am done. I served my food already. I'm gonna show you how I plated it. Everything is done, and here it is, guys. Steamed fish with some sweet potato, Irish potato, plantain, ripe plantain, and banana, green banana. Yep, I know it's not like the best or fancy looking, but I assure you it's gonna taste bomb. So first bite into it, you can see white flaky meat. Why, guys, the pepper get away. The pepper is bad. But yeah. Oop. Yeah, guys, I want to get with you. You guys, it's nice. Nice, man. She put it nice too. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Nice and warm. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Please tell me if you're gonna try cooking steamed fish. Really good, a healthier way of trying to eat Everybody I try watch, the older you get, the more you start watching health and stuff. So thanks for watching, guys. Steamed fish and some food. Okay.